Hey everyone, let's talk about nutrition. Nutrition is all about two things: quality and the quantity of the food we eat. Today's hot topic is carbs. Carbs is a major macronutrient. So people think carbs is ruining their diet and carbs are the enemy of their diet. But let me tell you, carbs is actually the king of your diet and carbs is actually works as a fuel of your body. It provides the energy. Carb-rich foods are the ultimate energy providers. So why it is crucial to have a carb in your body? Why? Because it creates a protein sparing effect. That means carbs utilize itself as a energy. If you don't have enough carb, it uses protein as a main source of energy and then protein gets wasted. So having enough carb is so crucial for your body. Thank you.